The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone reported screen issues. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a smartphone, and like any electronic device, it can encounter display issues. Here are some common display issues that users have reported and possible solutions. 1. Screen flickering or blinking. If your S23 Ultra's screen is flickering or blinking, it could be due to a software glitch or a hardware problem. Start by rebooting the device. If the issue persists, it may require professional repair. 2. Touch screen not responding. If the touch screen is unresponsive or not registering touches correctly, make sure your device's software is up to date. You can also try cleaning the screen and removing any screen protectors that might be interfering with touch sensitivity. 3. Screen burn-in. AMOLED screens, like the one on the S23 Ultra, are susceptible to screen burn-in over time. Avoid displaying static images at high brightness levels for extended periods. There are apps available that can help mitigate screen burn-in by shifting pixels periodically. 4. Dead pixels. If you notice small, unresponsive spots on the screen, these could be dead pixels. Unfortunately, dead pixels are a hardware issue, and you may need to contact Samsung for warranty or repair options. 5. Color calibration issues. If the colors on your screen appear distorted or unnatural, you can adjust the display settings in the phone's settings menu. Go to Settings, Display, Screen Mode and try different color profiles to see if any of them improve the display quality. 6. Screen ghosting. Ghosting or image retention can sometimes occur on OLED screens. This is usually temporary and can be minimized by reducing screen brightness and displaying different content. 7. Cracked or damaged screen. If your S23 Ultra's display is physically damaged, such as a cracked screen, it will likely need to be replaced by a professional technician. 8. Software bugs. Sometimes, display issues can be caused by software bugs. Ensure that your device is running the latest software updates, and if the issue persists, you may want to contact Samsung's customer support or visit a Samsung service center. If you are experiencing persistent display issues with your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and they cannot be resolved through software troubleshooting, I recommend reaching out to Samsung's customer support or visiting an authorized service center for a more thorough diagnosis and potential repair.